Good morning stretches. Ooh.
Morning yoga.
Oh. Get these legs ready for a great day. Oh God.
Because today is going to be a lot of walking, folks.
Yep. Buckle down the hatches, Clint. How come you're not stretching?
That's a lot of effort.
Well, we're going to hear him.
Yeah. Clint needs a coffee.
I need to mentally stretch my brain.
Oh,
you're
we woke up at
that's the stretching.
6 o'clock to try to get here at 6:30, and it's 7:15, and we've been here for about 20 minutes.
An hour and a half.
No, we haven't. It's been like 20 minutes. We're just waiting for a bus from Magic Kingdom and trying to get all pumped up. We're still doing these stretches, so
We're getting rust off our bodies.
yes. Yesterday was rough on many legs.
Yeah.
And we're trying to get ready for the 8 to 10 o'clock day today at the Magic Kingdom. God, we finally made it.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh. Jake, are you so excited to be back?
I'm so excited.
We are trying to find a way to get in to tap our band with the shortest line. There they are. Hey, party pals. Woo! Clint, are you excited? Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, do we check Seven Dwarfs and see how long it is?
Yes.
Okay, because it is 7:45, so 15 minutes till technical park open, but there's a lot of people here. So, we'll see what we can do.
Hey!
Oh, God. This is the best part of the whole trip. It's the first time seeing the castle. Oh, wow. I bet they have good ears here. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh! Oh!
That's hotter!
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Jagger! Woo! Yeah! Oh! Woo! Oh, wow! Oh, God. Wow! Look at him! Woo! Where's Nay?
Woo, shit, sorry.
Oh, jeez. Clint, are you excited?
They all
Oh, look up at that tree. Are you ready?
Yeah, don't break an ankle.
3. What are you counting to?
The castle.
Wow! Woo! Oh, look at it! Wow, she's beautiful. I love the new colors. Clint, is it beautiful?
beautiful.
Where's Jake? Mom, do you love it?
I love it.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh, this is so perfect. This is just what we needed. Just this little bit of magic. What? Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna keep walking.
Oh, man. We need to get some rides and coffee and people.
Oh, I am naturally hyped.
We need him. Caffeine in him. Oh, here we go. back there. Woo! Clint, are you excited? Drive us good. We're on Brene's favorite ride for the first ride of the Magic Kingdom trip. Here we go.
Good smiles and good waves.
Yep. Wave to the people. Oh. Oh! The lights on! What the heck? Uh-oh. Woo! That was weird! Oh! Keep going! Did you love it, Mary? Did you love it, Mom? Woo! Oh, oh, our picture! Oh. Clint, what'd you think?
I like that one.
Wasn't it fun? Where are we at? Uh-oh. Our water bottle. Oh, cute. Oh, Clint.
I didn't know what I was looking at.
We all have the same look.
No.
Are you ready, Brene, to shoot some people?
Oh, it's right here.
See, they did change it. Weird. They changed the whole queue here. Yeah, this is so crazy. Clint, you ready to kill some zombies or aliens, whatever they are? You better become a galactic hero. Thank you, thank you. What do you want your score to be?
I just want to make it to Ranger status.
Chris, what do you think you can get? A lot.
I don't know.
Brene, what are you getting? What's your score?
I forget what it is.
Your score?
Medium.
A set of numbers.
Up to what?
999,999.
250.
250.
1,000. I don't know what.
Who's getting Galactic Hero? Oh, really? Competition's on, 'cause I know, well, I don't know, but I think I can get Galactic Hero.
Cosmic Commando.
Oh, Cosmic Commando. Galactic Hero right there at the bottom. I already did, but I'll show it off again. That baby deserves 2 shows. It's hard having the whole galaxy rest in your hands, but the meatballs can do it. Oh.
Attention, Space Rangers.
Woo! Thank you.
Have a great day. Have fun, guys.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna need some of this right here.
Yep.
Oh, this hand sanitizer of the
After
gods.
touching all that.
Oh, Jake.
I'm not.
You're not happy. Oh, neither is Mom. Look at her up there. Oh my gosh, Brene, you're so happy. Jake, oh, I love you.
I was ready to shoot. I was ready.
I did really well.
Clint, what'd you get? So proud of you. What'd you get?
285.
Nice.
175.
Nice.
298.
Nice. Mom, what'd you get?
We're so close.
Oh,
to the next
okay.
level.
I got Galactic Hero.
He knows the little bullseyes at the beginning.
Oh, wow. Professional photography here with Jake Howard. Beautiful. I'm talking about the castle, Nay. I'm just kidding. You are too. It's so pretty. I love it. All right. What do we need? Coffee?
Coffee.
And bathroom. Got it. Coffee and bathrooms.
Go. Drink. Will that one be 250?
Oh, that'll be, yeah.
So that way.
There's probably like a stand somewhere for coffee. Go that way. Oh, hurry. Oh, look at it. Yeah, we need a little bit of judge in our steps. Get some pep in people's steps.
Maybe some potty.
Some potty to get pep in people's steps with the potties. and then go on some more fun rides at the best park in the whole entire world. Just love it. We got our hot juice right there.
Yeah.
Got some coffee, got a Coke, got a cold brew,
And a cold
got a
judge.
cold judge lemonade, and a cold water to get some pep in everyone's step because it was an early couple mornings, so we need the caffeine for sure. But I think we should go there next. Splash Mountain once we drink our drinks. And get it.
No waves.
Get it.
No waves there.
What'd you say?
No waves.
Aww.
I have a question.
No waves.
Viewers. Alright, so my vegan friends or anyone who likes to research went up there to get this frozen lemonade, and the menu has the little vegan next to it to this one, but not to the frozen Coke one, and that surprised me because I'm not sure what the difference between this and the
bet it's
Coke
just
would
'cause,
be.
like-
Would it be Coke? Like they're saying Coke's not vegan?
They're just saying like it's Coke. You know, like on a menu, it doesn't have a vegan symbol next to Coke anywhere. But a lemonade frozen, it could have like I don't know, some
Like a milk in it,
could
like
be
a milk, or
like
I
a
don't know.
dreamsicle but with lemonade.
Yeah, I don't know, but if anyone wants to research or find out, because I think
Probably
the
not
frozen
long.
Coke would be vegan, because it's on the vegan websites usually.
Yeah.
Like frozen Coke, so I don't know. Not
Let
sure.
us know because we're bamboozled and bombarded with
This is
question.
just like the
Oh.
pepper jack cheese and the the pepper jack cheese, or just pepper jack.
Oh.
Was it
Who knows?
vegan cheese at the restaurant or not? We don't know.
We don't know. Get their caffeine fix. Woo! Can I get a whoop whoop? Okay, perfect. We're ready to get our biscuits soaked on Splash Mountain. These are gonna be some damp biscuits.
These are
After this ride.
shivering biscuits.
So it says 20 minutes, but it's all the way in here. And I really don't think it wraps too much in here. So hopefully it's only,
Only 20 minutes.
yeah, hopefully it's only like 10 or 15 though, for real, for real. Yeah. So, 12,
15.
15, 17. Mom? Whoop.
It was on the stairs or somewhere over there.
I was outside.
No, I'm saying like it was over there.
Was what? 15's taken.
14.
18, I was saying 13.
14.
So let's see who wins the first game of the year. Oh, this is my favorite hill.
It's so dark.
I know, get ready. Oh, here we go.
Come on, little buddy.
Woo! Whoa! Oh! Oh, we got a major log back up. Log back up. Oh. Scary. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Hey, ho, Silva! Hooray!
Here we go! My log back there! Woo! Uh-oh, oh! Oh! Ah! I ducked! I ducked!
Oh, that was
Oh, did you get soaked?
a little bit.
Woo! How'd you get? Ah! Woo! Woohoo! How was that?
Amazing.
Oh yes! I love that ride.
Dipping and dipping.
What?
That was
Good. Clint, what you think?
It was good.
Chris? Oh yeah, 2 thumbs up. We got pretty wet. Wetter than Cali River Rapids, I would say. I would venture out and say that, I think. Oh man. Well, those chickens at the end, or whatever they are, they really know how to bring it home. Reel the party home. All right. Where are we going next? Where's Mom?
I'm right here.
Oh.
Big Thunder.
Big Thunder?
Okay.
Big Thunder, here we come.